Karwal, IPS, who now heads the National Disaster Management Authority, other officers present here, representatives from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Today, as we stand here united with BIMSTEC nations, we are already facing a pandemic, which is popularly now referred to as COVID-19. And these kind of disasters are something which will continue to happen in the future. They have happened in the past, and we will be facing such pandemics in the future. It is very important for all of us together to put our heads together, put our minds together, and put our effort together to make sure that we are able to respond in a rather rapid manner to support each other whenever such a pandemic takes place in any of our nations. In fact, it has been the endeavor of our government as part of our Act Peace policy to ensure that nations which are on the eastern periphery of our country get maximum support. And therefore, I think this BIMSTEC forum provides us the right opportunity to stand together in unity and make sure that we are able to come to each other's support. The manner in which the ecological and environmental degradation is taking place all over the world, we are seeing major changes happening. Disasters are taking place. Some natural, some man-made. We've had tsunamis, we've had earthquakes, we've had unprecedented rainfall causing floods in areas where we hardly had any rain. And this is not just in our country, it is happening in every nation. And to top it all, now we have virus-generated pandemics for which we have to be prepared for in the future. These pandemics do not remain confined to one nation's boundaries. They travel across from one nation to the other. And therefore, to state that individual nations on their own are responsible for taking care of the people is not the best way forward. I think it has to be a joint response, and we have to develop joint response mechanisms. And I think PANEX 21 is one good method of getting together to see how we can prepare for the future, look at the present and prepare for the future. First, of course, we have to look at COVID itself. We find that there are variants now coming in, the Omicron is there. Whether it is going to again mutate into something else, we need to be prepared for, and I think the medical fraternity in particular will have to get the act together to find ways and means of overcoming such pandemics. The other issue that I wish to highlight is that is this also becoming the new kind of warfare? And if this is the future warfare, and that biological warfare is somehow beginning to take shape, then once again I think we amongst our BIMSTEC nations need to act together and strengthen our effort to make sure that our nations do not get affected by such kind of diseases, virus, and we must be able to protect ourselves from any such thing happening. And to top it all, let me tell you that the armed forces of any country will have to step in wherever such a natural disaster or a pandemic takes place. So I think it is important for us in uniform, men and women in uniform, to see how best we can support our nations. During COVID-19, every country in the world is dependent on the armed forces to provide some kind of support, not just to their own people, not just to their own veterans, but to reach out to the civilian population and see how best they could come in their support. So I think it is important for the armed forces to get their act together, prepare for the future, and make sure that we remain ahead of the curve whenever we are struck by any such a virus or pandemic in the future. So I am quite confident that PANEX 21 will help us draw some very important lessons, will help us in remaining prepared for the future, will help us in at least identifying contacts within each country as to whom we should contact should such a pandemic or a disaster strike any of our nations. We do have in our country the NDMA, which is actually responsible for such actions. But this kind of a pandemic that has happened is something which was lost sight of, and we forgot that this also is a very major disaster and needs to be factored in the disaster response mechanism that we have evolved in our country, and so on and so forth for every other nation in our neighborhood. So I think it's a good thing that we in India have taken the lead, but let me tell you, we are all equal partners. Every BIMSTEC nation, we are all equal partners in this effort to make sure that we are able to fight such pandemics in the future. With this, I wish PANEX 21 the best of luck and success, and I am quite sure that we will come out with some very comprehensive solutions as to how we should deal with such situations in the future. And before I call off, I also wish to compliment the armed forces, today being the Armed Forces Flag Day. So my best wishes to the rank and file of the Indian Armed Forces. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and wish this PANEX 21 BIMSTEC seminar the curtain raiser very best and success. And I'm sure when we get into the tabletop exercise or the other exercise, depending on how the COVID-19 situation pans out in the future, I'm sure we will be able to come out with some very concrete solutions. Thank you and jai Hind.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోలను పొందడానికి దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.